Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a good Wednesday. Today I'm going to be opening up my very last LuxeBox. That's right, this is my fourth of 4 LuxeBoxes, which means that there's going to be no more LuxeBox unboxings, but I am going to do a kind of overview of the service and my final thoughts and opinions next month in my grand finale 1 year of LuxeBox episode. So look forward to that. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already for seeing my final thoughts and everything. But aside from that, let's get on in here and I'm going to open up this box. This is the spring 2018 LuxeBox, and then I'm going to go back and re-review my winter 2017 LuxeBox. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh. Okay, let's take a second and go through these products. Right off the back, look. It is a hand cream. This is the Delectable Miracle Material Ultra Nourishing Hand Cream, Sweet Mint and Cream flavor. This is from Cake Beauty. These are made in Canada, so it's awesome that a Canadian brand is getting represented. The travel size retails for $6. I think you can get bigger tubes. And this is 60 milliliters of product. Cake Beauty does some awesome things, like I love the dry shampoos, but you don't need a full hand cream every single month, especially if you're me and you have dry hands and cuticles. Like, I'm not gonna magically start moisturizing my hands just because you put 10 hand creams in front of me, no. So I'm going to save this. I'm probably going to throw it in the 4,000 subscriber giveaway that's coming up because I know a lot of you do like hand creams. I think it's just a weird me problem. 1 tube of hand cream every quarter is a lot, especially when we got a giant tin of hand cream from Barefoot Venus last quarter. That's too much. That would last me an entire year. So, and yes, there is a nail polish as well. This is from China Glaze, which we seem to get quite a bit. This is a nail lacquer with hardener in the color Stop That Train. It's a full-size product, retails for about 10 Canadian dollars, and is described as a metallic orange/red shimmer. Really pretty, but personally, if I'm gonna paint my nails, I just do gel at home. So having a normal nail polish isn't really my thing, but I do like the color. Well, I also get this, is it Sebastian Professional or Professional Sebastian? Shaper Plus Hairspray is an extra hold hairspray, which gives you touchable, humidity-resistant extra hold hairspray. Spray before and after blow drying to finish with a strong hold. Hold can 10 to 12 inches from styled hair and spray. This is a little 38.5 gram bottle, and the full size retails for $20 American at CVS, and that's a full can of hairspray. It smells kind of nice. I don't normally use hairspray, but I don't mind getting a sample now and then, so no complaints there. I've never seen Sebastian Professional here in Canada or anywhere that I shop, but I guess they're carried at CVS in the USA. There's this interesting product. This is the Vosh New York Petty in a Box 3-in-1. It's green tea, and it's a waterless 3-step pedicure. It contains a scrub, a mud mask, and a massage cream. It says it's supposed to purify, rejuvenate, and revive. And the instructions say to just massage it onto a foot and lower leg until thoroughly absorbed. And this one's a little cheapy. This one is $3 Canadian about. Again, I've never seen it in store. It's, I'm guessing, like some of the past pedicure products, more of a professional product. But I love when they throw these in. I think they're really cute. I've done all the pedicure products so far, and even if I don't particularly like the individual products, I love trying new ones. So I do like this. Hand cream, no pedicure stuff or manicure stuff. That's like a one-time use, get it over with. I can get behind that. There is a Laritzy Cosmetics eye pencil. Paraben free, it says. And this is from Quebec, another Canadian company. And this is in the color Dark Shimmer. It looks very black with silver particles in it. I don't know if the silver is picking up very well on camera, but it does have a gray metallic sparkle running through it. Not the blackest black, and seems to smudge out really well, so I'm not mad about receiving this at all. If I was going to get a pencil, I would probably prefer to have just like a plain black one and not one with sparkles. But at the same time, I already own one, so it's nice to get like a little bit of variety, so happy with that. That one retails for 18 Canadian dollars. Alright, there's 2 products left. Girl Power Liquid Lipstick from the Beauty Crop. This is a matte liquid lipstick in the color Piedaho. Looks like it's a UK-based company. This is the first time we've gotten a product from the Beauty Crop. I've never heard of them before. Seems like a nice color, nice packaging. This is a 4 ml tube and it retails for about 19 Canadian dollars. It's cruelty free. And I think I should throw it on. What do you guys think? Right now, I'm actually wearing the color that we got from last quarter's LuxeBox. This is Sugar Daddy from Medusa's Makeup, which is just like a nude color. But let's try out this liquid lipstick. It comes with a regular doe foot applicator. That's pretty. No scent. It goes on very thin, which I like. It's a tiny bit patchy and a tiny bit hard to build up. I would definitely recommend 2 coats, but it feels really nice and lightweight on the lips. Obviously, I would also recommend a lip liner for a beautiful dark color like this. But this is exciting. This is the type of stuff that I love to see in my beauty boxes. Brand I've never heard of, beautiful color. I want to investigate further. And there's one final product in the beauty box. This is from Manicadar Beauty. This is the Lash Extending Primer, and it's an 8-gram product, retails for $24 US. It's a really nice tube, but there is a very clear lack of instructions on the box and on the product themselves, which is a little bit annoying because that means you gotta go look up how to use it. Luckily, I already did that for you when I checked out the price. Basically, this is a lash primer that you can wear under mascara, or you can wear at night as a conditioner, apparently. Just seems like the normal white type of primer. I don't currently wear any lash primer, so I'm happy to experiment with that and try that out. So another win there. A brand that we've seen a lot so far in this LuxeBox, Manicadar. I actually just posted a review of their Glow Illuminator on my channel about a week ago, so you can check it out up there. But yeah, that was the last thing in my LuxeBox. Let me put everything back for a final look at everything. There's everything outside of its packaging. Overall, not the worst box so far, especially now that I'm resigned to the fact that we're getting a hand cream and that we're getting a nail polish. There were some fun cosmetics, a nice array of hair products and stuff. My very favorite box, I think, is still my very first box that I ever got from them, which is, I don't know, I think that's a bit disappointing. Okay, so let's quickly re-review everything we got from last quarter's box. First of all, we got the Barefoot Venus Intensive Hand Repair. It came in a little tin, and I was bitching about receiving it after receiving hand cream from a FabFitFun box. And on it goes, broken record. Jessica, one of my subscribers and a regular commenter on my channel, was half joking about like wanting it, so I ended up mailing it out to her. So we'll have to get the final word on the Barefoot Venus hand cream from her in her comment down below. Next, we had received a Cougar Cosmetics 6 Shades of Noon eyeshadow palette, and it actually came broken. It was completely smashed. So I ended up contacting LuxeBox. It was the first time I had ever needed to contact them. So I wasn't completely mad that we had a chance to interact with customer service. I emailed them, I said it was broken, I sent a photo, and they replied to me that they had another one in the mail. It came really quickly, so I had a really great customer experience with LuxeBox, so that's good. So they sent me another one. It's by Paula Dune. I can't remember how much it costs. I want to say it's pretty cheap. It's something like 10 or 13 Canadian dollars. This is the 6 shades of nude. I'm actually wearing it on my eyes today. I've been meaning to play around with it and try it out. It's basically 6 nude shimmer colors. So I've been putting it off and putting it off, and I felt bad. So I used it today, opened it up, and it broke immediately. So really not a great impression with this brand. But let me swatch everything quickly for you. So there you go. Really great, I would say, beginner palette. It seemed to blend well, and it seems to be wearing nicely. It's not been on for very long at all, so maybe I should go in and experiment a little bit further now that I know how well it blends out. But I really can't say that the quality in the packaging is there, which kind of leads a bad impression overall of the brand. Is that really fair of me to say? I don't know. You guys will have to let me know. We got the Medusa's makeup lipstick. This is in the shade Sugar Daddy. Just a pretty nude. It's a really comfortable formula to wear. It's cruelty free. It has no scent or anything. It's a pretty basic lipstick. I like it. I like wearing it with a gloss on top better than on its own, but it's a really great nude color. It's actually pretty neutral overall, and I think it's a very flattering shade on myself. I did get a Morgan Taylor Professional Nail Lacquer nail polish last month. I did kind of like it. It was like a sparkly white, goldish silver color, but again, not something that I'm going to wear, so regardless of how much I really like it, I just don't want any nail polishes in my life. I'm trying to keep it simple. So that was a pass for me. We got a Laritzy Cosmetics Silicone Makeup Blender. Again, another repeat brand. And I ended up not opening it up because I had just received another silicone blender. I did a whole review on silicone blenders up here. That one I ended up mailing out to Jessica with a hand cream. So again, Jessica, how was that? Let us know down below. I need to have you on my channel and we can do a review together. Aside from the fact that I just got a silicone blender from elsewhere, just completely randomly, I think that's a really fun product to get in a box, a beauty box. So I was really happy to see that. That's a great tool that you probably wouldn't buy. I got a Glam Glow Youth Mud Tingle Exfoliate Treatment, which I'm really over the Glam Glow hype, so I wasn't super excited to get it. We had gotten sample sizes of Glam Glow products before. I ended up giving that away as a Christmas present in a little like package. And we got a Sweetie Products bath bomb. I can't even remember what that bath bomb looked like. I ended up giving that to Douglas to use because I do not take baths. So another product that I didn't keep. So I have 3 products from that beauty box left that I still use regularly-ish. So that box was like a huge fail. I can't remember if that was like my least favorite box or if it was the box before it, but not great. But that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Let me know what you think about LuxeBox down below. A couple of you were recommending that I try out TopBox for my next beauty box subscription because I want to pick up a new subscription box to see what that would be like. Check it out. Some of you guys have requested BoxyCharm. And there's a couple other ones that I might look into. But yeah, if you have any feedback, comments, either 2 ways, just remember that I live in Canada, so it's not every box ships to me. I know a lot of new viewers are watching, so if you're Canadian and you have a beauty box that you would love to recommend to me, leave it down below for me. Aside from that, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my lovely patrons who help make these videos possible with a financial donation every month. You can become a patron for as little as $2 a month, and my $5 a month or more patrons actually got a sneak preview of this LuxeBox unboxing with a couple other boxes that I had to open last week on my channel. So if you want some behind the scenes photos and live streams, definitely check out my Patreon. If you want to help me out in other ways, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe down below. Share this with anybody else who might find it helpful. And again, look for my video next month when I do a whole overview of the LuxeBox subscription service. I usually also couple that video with a thread over on beauty boxes on Reddit. Aside from that, I will see you all on Friday's beauty video. Thanks again for watching, and bye!